Hwachae and it's amazing.
Cut it with Jello.
Let's go. Grab it.
Okay, so I want you guys to take a look at this video.
Okay.
So once you watch the video, you'll know what we're doing. You ready to watch the video, Cruz?
I think I know what this is.
We've been seeing this everywhere, so let's make a latte. First, let's add the ice, blueberries,
Strawberries and watermelon.
mango, dragon fruit, and raspberry.
And now let's add the jelly.
Jelly.
First, we're adding the milk, and now let's add the Sprite. That's yours. This is the final result. Mmm.
It's amazing. I want to try it in real life.
It's cool.
Right here we got Jello, blackberries, watermelon, strawberries, blueberries, and fruit balls that are full of
this is
peaches.
blueberries. Now we gotta make them.
Lemon lime soda and strawberry milk, but I'm allergic to milk, so mommy made it with oat milk.
Also need ice.
First thing is cut the strawberries.
Cut the strawberries. And then mommy. And then look at me.
This is not a sword.
What is it?
It's a small sword. Now that we're done cutting up the strawberries, let's put them in the bowl.
Let me like this.
We're gonna cut these watermelons in half. Don't want super big chunks.
Chunky.
Okay, just cut them in half.
I'm gonna cut the baby one. Look at me, mommy.
These ones are harder than the strawberries. Okay. Okay.
I'll eat it.
Time to pull them in.
No. I know that.
Stop putting your hands on me. I just said that. That's not funny. You know what's so funny? Ew!
Excuse me.
Farted.
Excuse me.
We're gonna pour some blueberries.
I want to pour it. I'll pour
Then
this.
Cruzy, you pour some blackberries.
Give to me.
Pour it. Okay. Some peaches. La, 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 la. Just dump it.
It's a pretty peach. Let's go grab a Jello.
I got one, two. I want every single color.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4.
Time to put them on here and pop them on. Get this Jello out.
This Jello.
Mm.
Mine is so food.
This looks so weird.
Mine is foodie. Cut it with Jello. Jello, Jello, Jello.
How about this big one?
But that tastes good. Orange.
There was red, orange, and green.
Mine is so on the red. Mine is on the red.
One.
I want to eat it.
Chris, you pour the ice. I pour the milk.
Let me help you.
No, I got it.
Get in there. Jenna, get there.
It's fine, Chris.
Jenna.
Wait. I'm scared. Oh, good now. Tell me when to stop. I got this.
I'm scared too. I'm too bubbling.
Let's go. Grab it. This is gonna be a fun drink.
Yep. Oh, stir it, stir it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It smells so good. Eat it. Let me eat the Jello. I need the Jello.
really good.
I want to get the jello. We did it, Mommy.
We did the drink.
Let's drink it. Let's drink it.
We
Mix it again. We
just made some Hwachae and it's amazing. Really good. You should try it. This is like an explosion in my mouth full of fruit. It's amazing. I would not expect the soda and the milk to taste good together, but it tastes amazing. And I like the pink color of the drink.
Mommy, it's so delicious and I want to eat all of them.
Thanks for watching. Bye.